I'm Jim Cameron. In Avatar, we showed you a planet in peril. Here on Earth, our species is learning how to care for our home. NASA's Eyes in Space enable unparalleled insights into our planet's health. And with this knowledge comes a profound responsibility to act when something is wrong. NASA science helped detect the hole in our sheltering ozone layer and diagnose its cause. Now NASA is monitoring the Gulf oil spill to help the science community better track and understand what we face ahead in dealing with this catastrophic situation. Learn more about how to take care of our own planet, Mother Earth.